Hi, hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the lens maker formula shortcut method. So what is the lens maker formula? No? Shortcut way in definition. So here double concave and double convex, both will be diagram same and definition also same. We can write in another way also. The mathematical connection between the focal length and radius of the curvature and refractive index, also known as lens maker formula, or is this formula related to that the focal length of a lens to the refractive index of a lens material and the radii of curvature of its two surfaces is known as lens maker formula. In two ways we can define. So this is the diagram for the double convex lens. This is the diagrammatic expression for the double convex lens. Okay, today I am going to give the same different diagrams, same definition you can write, and same derivation also. Okay, then I will give the shortcut method you can remember. So here you can write 2 minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 divided by r1, and next step 1 minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 divided by r2. Okay, so here 2 minus 1 now refractive index of glass minus refractive index of air, mu2 minus mu1. Here also mu2 minus mu1, and here also mu1 minus mu2, and here also mu1 minus mu2. So here mu2 minus mu1 is equal to mu2 minus mu1 divided by r1, and here also mu1 minus mu2 is equal to mu1 minus mu2 divided by r2. So here, so two steps we can finish up. Third step we can get the answer. Okay, so here v1 u. Okay, here v1 now, here also opposite way exactly v1 and v1. Here u now, so exactly opposite you can write v. Okay, mu2 by v1 minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r1, and mu1 by v minus mu2 by v1 is equal to mu1 minus mu2 by r2. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. By adding the both equations, so here mu2 by v1 mu2 minus mu2 by v1 gets cancelled, plus and minus exactly opposite. Okay, then what will be the remaining? Minus mu1 by u and the mu1 by v. Here mu1 take common now, so here what will be there? 1 by v minus here 1 by u is equal to, here mu2 minus mu1 take the common now, mu2 minus mu1 take the common, what will be there here? r1, 1 by r1 minus, because of here mu2 minus mu1 take the common, here mu1 minus mu2, so minus will come, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So here above written, so mu1 is equal to 1 for the air medium, so outside. Okay, here also outside, and mu2 is the glass medium inside, double concave and double convex both. Okay, so here mu1 is equal to how much? 1, so forget. So mu2 is equal to how much? Mu, because of this is for related to glass medium. 1 by v minus 1 by u for the, what is the formula for lens formula? So nothing but a 1 by f is equal to, mu2 is equal to how much? Mu2 is for the glass medium mu minus mu1 is air medium 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So this is called the lens maker formula. Finished. Okay, this is the very shortest method. Once again I will revise. What is the lens maker formula? You can write the mathematical connection between the focal length and refractive index, focal length and refractive index and the radius of the curvature is known as lens maker formula. You can define same definition for both double concave and double convex, diagram only different and same derivation. So what is the shortcut I tell now? 2 minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 by r1. 1 minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 divided by r2. Here uv and here vv1 gets cancelled. Okay, thank you.